This video's subject is how to hide likes on Threads. Let's start now. Create an active Threads account. Install the app from the Google Play Store on an Android smartphone and create an account if there isn't already one. Those who own iPhones must go to the App Store. Instagram and Threads users must have the same identity because Threads and Instagram are closely related platforms. I'll demonstrate to you how to hide likes on Threads. I have randomly opened some threads here. If you press the like option below the threads, see here are 43 likes on this thread. To hide these likes, what you have to do is simply press the profile icon in the lower right corner of the page. Your profile will open. Now press the globe icon in the upper left corner. A full page privacy menu will appear with certain options. The last option is to hide likes by simply pressing it. Hide like count will appear. Swipe it to open hide likes. Now go back to the main page of Threads. Refresh it. It will take a few moments. And now you can see likes are hidden. Even if you press view likes, there will be no likes count. That's how you can hide likes on Threads. I hope you learned something from this video. If you have any question, don't hesitate to comment down below. And thank you for watching.